Please follow the steps to disassemble the main unit. Release the battery lock and slide the battery latch, then remove the battery. Remove the 2 screws fastening the HDD cover. Then remove the HDD door. Remove the screw holding the HDD module. Disconnect the HDD module from the main unit and remove the HDD module. Remove the 2 screws fastening the RAM door. Detach the RAM door from the main unit. Pop out the memory modules and remove them. Disconnect the wireless auxiliary and main antennae. Remove the 2 screws holding the wireless LAN card. Remove the wireless LAN card from the main board. Then, remove the 2 screws fastening the modem board. Detach the modem board from the main board and disconnect the modem cable, then remove the modem board. Remove the 2 screws holding the keyboard cover. Open the LCD module as shown. Carefully detach the keyboard cover from the main unit. Then, remove the 2 screws fastening the keyboard. Turn over the keyboard as shown. Disconnect the keyboard FFC from the main board. Then remove the keyboard. Use tweezers to take out the wireless LAN antenna set from the line guide. Use tweezers to disconnect the lid switch cable from the main board. Disconnect the LCD cable from the main board. If your laptop has a CCD module, please disconnect the CCD cable as shown. Remove the 4 screws holding the LCD module. Detach the LCD module carefully from the main unit. Disconnect the touchpad FFC from the main board. Then, disconnect the media button board FFC from the main board as well. Remove the screw holding the ODD module on the bottom side. Then, push the ODD module outwards and detach the ODD module from the main unit. Turn to the front side and remove the 3 screws holding the uppercase assembly and lowercase assembly. Remove 1 screw on the rear side as shown. Then, remove the 18 screws holding the uppercase and the lowercase assembly. Detach the uppercase assembly from the lowercase assembly. remove the 2 screws holding the media button board. Use a tool to detach the media button board from the upper case, then disconnect the media button FFC and remove the board. Detach the Bluetooth module from the lower case. Disconnect the Bluetooth cable from the main board. Then take out the Bluetooth cable from the lower case. Disconnect the speaker and the microphone cable from the main board as shown. Remove the 2 screws fastening the main board to the lower case. Then, carefully take out the main board assembly from the lower case. Remove the 2 screws holding the daughter board to the main board. Detach the daughter board from the main board. Disconnect the fan cable from the main board. Remove the 6 screws holding the thermal module to the main board. Detach the thermal module from the main board. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to release the CPU lock. Then carefully remove the CPU from the CPU socket. This completes the main unit disassembling steps.